Hi, my name is Veneka, and this is my submission to let you know why I'm going to be a Mr. Zimbabwe in the Misters of Zimbabwe modeling pageant. And it's going to be a very unusual video. So, I've always been an avid charity worker, but traditionally, my mother has been a charity worker for 35 years for societal betterment, and I'm her only son, so it is within my lineage to be a charity worker. Since I was 7 years old, I've been participating in societal betterment activities, which include anti-drug campaigns, disaster response, and counseling, although like a lot more mild on the counseling end. The reason I'm going to become a Mr. Zimbabwe is because I'd like to amplify my ability to help other people. This is the final point at the end of the day. If you examine yourself, if you examine others, and if you examine the behavior of a human being, you dress up in the morning, yes, for yourself, but it is also to make your mood pleasant for others. If no humans existed in the world, you wouldn't dress the way that you dressed, even if you had the option, right? Everything that you do is for others in finality, even the things to take care of yourself. Now, 4 years of my life already have been spent doing full-time charity work. I did disaster response in the Hurricane Idai incident. I went to a village in Mozambique called Gruja with 2 tons of food and water, and one of my partners at the time, and we basically distributed the food, the water, a couple blankets, and soap for people while holding out for the UN to arrive with mealie meal to keep the village alive. On many days I would give away my own food and not eat, but I'll tell you what, on those days I was more fed than on any other day, because on those days I was spiritually fed. I'm trying to amplify my reach by using the resource of attention, bringing attention to myself. I have a lot to offer the world, but also more than anyone who has come before, because of the advantages offered to us in this era, being in a technological and an AI type of era. It becomes that we can change the world even more. You know, we can do the highest ever change to the world. I won't go all the way into it now, but watch me as I go through the pageant, watch me as I go through life, and you will see more and more the worldly change, the never before seen change, and the groundbreaking change that I'll be able to cause. This is why I'm going to become Misters of Zimbabwe, Mr. Zimbabwe in the Misters of Zimbabwe pageant this year. I'll need your support. Help me. And enjoy the journey with me.